Today I'm going to shade my first commission work. I have done so many portraits, but I never have done so many details on clothes. So let's see मैं ये complete कर पाता हूँ कि नहीं. But first I need my pencil. So I'm starting with the eye first. So the first eye of the portrait is done. Let's move on to the next eye. The eyes are completed. Now I'm moving on to the nose, lips and face shading portion. So the face is done and I am happy with the result. Now let's do the hairs. For the hairs I am using charcoal pencil because it doesn't make any shine and it's pretty dark compared to the graphite pencils. I am in the middle of the path and my pencil is done for, so let's make a new one. Now it's new but not sharp enough. Let's do it. So the hair is done and I'm pretty tired, so I'm going to sleep. See you tomorrow. It's morning already and after waking up, the first thing I did was taking the pictures of my drawing and post them on Instagram. Okay, let's move on to this portion, but I need my pencil first. Great, let's do it. Some of the clothes is already completed. Before we begin this section, I am going to tape the gaps so that we can finish the sari. Additionally, for the sari I am using 2B and 4B pencils. So the portrait is finished. It took me around 2 weeks to do the portrait. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Now enjoy the review. I will see you in the next video.